loneliness since you have gone. Your questions in my mind when I feel it this long. When I heard that you pay me, I don't even wanna know what your true feelings for me. Hurting me this much make me give up for what I've got, and the real and true person is behind my back to back me up.
Quite a while and we're not talking anymore. And what I don't understand is why you have to pretend
You have to
that
pretend.
you love me while I know that you're in love with another guy. Baby, you don't understand. I try to forget you, but I can't.
Cause you believe that love is blind and hard to find, but love is everywhere if you just open your eyes. If you believe in this word that I love you, maybe you're gonna realize that you could love me too. Though we're living in one place, but we're not seeing each other. It's like we're down in the close, or even though we're together. How can I make a move to be close to you? I know you hate boys in New Jersey, but I gotta change this just for you.
When I was growing up, you pulled me down to the best of me when you
came around.
You broke my heart and said goodbye. Don't I deserve just another
try?
Baby, I loved you then, no I won't deny. I really hate you, babe. What did you
I
have
had
to
enough
lie?
lies.
Honey, I need you then, but baby, say goodbye. I've had enough of lies, let's stay out of my life. It's been quite a while and we're not talking anymore. And what I don't understand is why you have to pretend
But you have to
that
pretend.
you love me while I know that you're in love with another guy. Baby, you don't understand. I try to forget you, but I can't. 'Cause
T-R-U-S-T, but do you really trust me? It only matters when you really need me. Rest P-E-C-T, but do you really respect me? But if you don't, come on, just please set me free. I know you call me C-R-A-Z-Y because of the crazy stuff I'm doing sometimes. But when time comes that you can't really decide, mark my word, I'm just 2 steps behind you, girl.
it's been